Hello everyone, I have a fun card for you today with the Snowflake Wishes stamp set from the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. So let me pull in the card and show you what we're going to make. This is also with the Snowflake designer paper that's from the same suite. I don't remember the name of it off the top of my head. But we're going to start with a Highland Heather card base. And then I've got a strip of balmy blue cardstock. So I'll add some adhesive to that and attach it. I'm just going to do right in the center, across there. And then I've got a piece of Whisper white cardstock, and I've gone ahead and added this snowflake image here with balmy blue ink, just in each opposite corner there. And we'll attach that as well. Uh-oh. And I am right at the end of my adhesive. I'll just grab this other one that I have. So we'll put that right on here. And then next, this is the fun part. So I've got my greeting already stamped with Pacific Point ink, and that will be set on here with Stampin' Dimensionals in just a moment. But first, we're going to do something fun with these 3 circles. So you can see that they were die cut with a stitched die. You can see all 3 sizes here. And what I'm going to do, you could measure this and mark it if you wanted to. I'm going to estimate and cut each circle in half. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is attach, so let me kind of make 2 piles with my circles here. So I'm going to have the largest circle, and then the medium one, and then the small one. So 3 different sizes on each pile, and I'll go ahead, notice that when I line them up, I make them all go all the way to the left on this one for this bottom. So I'll just put my adhesive on the back here and attach it to the middle circle. Oops. Scoot that up just a bit. And then I'll put adhesive on the back of this one and attach that all the way over to the left, line it up along the edge. And then I want to do the exact same thing with my other set. So I'll put adhesive on the back here, all the way to the left and straight across the top. Adhesive here and there. Okay, so now I'll pull the card back in, and I'm going to set this here and here. And so I'll put it in, oh gosh, maybe a 1/4 inch or so from the edge. So you can see how the stitched line here, let me lift this up just a little bit. When I line it up, the stitched line here matches up, and then the stitched line there matches up. So I will just kind of estimate that, put my adhesive on, and I want this to kind of come together right in the middle. I need to scoot that up just a bit over probably, yeah, I think that'll work well. And then match this one up, like I said, just to let the stitched lines, oops, this way, guide you there. And then that's a really awkward seam where they come together. So that's where this greeting comes in. And so I'll put my Stampin' Dimensionals right across the back. I'll do 3 of them. So there's 1 on each end and 1 in the middle. And then peel off the back to expose the stickiness. If you ever have a hard time getting the back off, just go like this with your fingernail right in the middle, and it automatically will like pop up the edge a little bit, so that you can, when you go like that, it just pops it up and you can grab it more easily. So then this will go kind of right over that seam to cover it up. And then I'll finish it off by adding a rhinestone on each end. So that's a fun, quick and creative way to make this card, just taking those stitched circles, cutting them in half, and then creating that flow with the stitch lines there. Thanks so much for watching.